Okay, we are live now. Okay, good evening to everyone, those who are watching me live here. So I just wanted to make sure you all are here with your LinkedIn profiles and people on LinkedIn. Today we will check how the LinkedIn profile optimization works. What are the important aspects for your job search? At the same time, I will be reviewing each and everyone's LinkedIn profile and how you can optimize in a better way so that you can get the desired job opportunities. That is our primary agenda today. So quickly, we will go over a few of the LinkedIn profiles that I will be getting on the chat. So those who want to get your LinkedIn profile reviewed or LinkedIn profile optimized, you can actually share your LinkedIn profile on the chat. So please share your LinkedIn profile uh, chat so that I can go ahead and do the profile optimization. Hi everyone, a very good evening. Thanks a lot for joining and taking time. So before that, I would like to show my LinkedIn once so that you can understand how this optimization actually works in different kinds of scenarios. So let me show you first the LinkedIn profile. Many of you are telling Praveen jobs are not there. Praveen, how to hunt for the jobs? Praveen, can you show me some DevOps and SRE jobs which are right now available in the market? So for all of them, let me tell you, the jobs are available and the jobs are there for the people, those who are quite applying daily basis. Okay. So for your information, you need to just come to the job section and search for like DevOps engineer and whatever the location you want. Let's say you want to search in India, and you will be able to see these all jobs on the screen. And you have to make sure that you are checking this 24 hours posted jobs, because this increases your chances of getting selected little bit more, because less people would have applied for the positions which are opened in last 24 hours. For your information, you can see here persistent systems. Okay, we will not go with Java software developer, we will go with maybe DevOps engineer. So if you are seeing 7 hours ago like 100 applicants, mostly senior software engineer, systems infrastructure, LinkedIn is hiring. Regular DevOps engineer, which is 22 minutes ago 30 people have applied. Mobile automation, SAP, okay, these all things are not needed. Senior DevOps consultant, over 100 clicks. So that's how you need to look for jobs. DevOps engineer R37, DevOps engineer 3. So if you are seeing on the screen, this is basically for rack space. DevOps engineer 2, 1 hour ago 61 applicants. So these are very very much important for all of you, those who are looking for jobs, right? That is very important. So this is what my primary intention is, to all of you, to tell that guys, jobs are there. It's only that the people who have good LinkedIn profile and good resumes are getting selected. So let's go over your LinkedIn profiles. I'll be quickly taking all one by one your LinkedIn profiles, and we will be trying to optimize here. So let's see how many of you have given your LinkedIn profile links. Okay, Somashekar Golapalli. So let's start with Somashekar. Let's go ahead with his LinkedIn profile now. Somashekar is looking for opportunities right now. So he's telling DevOps and open source, let's grow together. So this is one of the important aspect where you keep your banner which resembles what the person you are, what kind of person you are, whether you are good at speaking, whether you are good at tech, whether you are good at leading some projects, whether you are good at open collaboration, whatever you are looking for, have the banner according to that. Whatever you are good at, make sure your banner looks or resembles your character here, right? So Somshekar is telling DevOps and open source. So might be what I am feeling is he's good at DevOps as well as he's good at open source contribution also. Now Somasekar has written DevOps engineer, some tools here: immediate joiner, automatic and streamlining processes for efficient software delivery, continuous. Okay, now this is wrong here. For your information, all of you see here, this headline looks good, that is fine, but this is not good. Whenever you are looking for any kind of jobs, make sure that this location is as per your job location. Let's say you are working in Bangalore, this should be your Bangalore location. If you are working in some other XYZ city, that should be your particular city here. Okay, so if I see here, he has written open to work. So what kind of positions he is okay open to? Now again, one more wrong here. The positions he is open to is only DevOps engineer and site reliability engineer. So there are many positions like cloud engineer, support engineer. Okay, then there is a automation engineer. Then there is you can say production support engineer. Keep all the titles, guys. Are you getting me what I am telling? Everyone, yes? Are you getting like whatever I am telling? Yes. Okay, so that is very much important because that's how whenever a recruiter looks out for your profile, they will scrutinize your profile based on that. So make sure that whenever you are keeping this job titles, whenever you are open to network, make sure you are adding all the things. Okay, now he's telling on-site, hybrid, remote, anything he's fine with. United Kingdom and India also start immediately, employment type full time. This is okay. Now if you come down, so Umashekar is looking for job opportunities. So let's say like what he is going to tell. Now this looks good, pretty much, very much neat and clean. He has started about himself, and he is telling what are the tech stacks he is good at, what are the cloud services he is good at, what are the achievements that he has done, and he is telling like let's connect if you are open. Now this is really good, and it's looking like very neat and clean. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me, guys? Somashekar's profile is looking very neat and clean. When you first see, it's looking like okay, what he is doing, what are the tech stack, what are the cloud services, what are the achievements that he has done. Like I think it's looking clean. What do you guys have to say? People on LinkedIn, what do you have to say? I believe you are also happy with this. Okay. Now, if I come down a little bit, he has started posting regularly. I see like 1 week. Okay, 1 week ago he has posted. Now TCS he is working Kochi, Kerala, so it should be like Kochi, Kerala. Okay, your location should be Kochi, Kerala. If I'm able to see implemented GitOps, okay, this is really good, guys. All of you see here this lines of implementation or the line of action that whatever he has written is very neat and clean. Implemented GitOps and DevOps practices including CI/CD pipelines for streamlined application deployment. With this one, led the implementation of ELK stack, resolve complex issues, implemented network policies, design scalable, securable, managed artifact, design and implemented, reduced by 30%, 50 plus microservices. I think this profile is perfect example to start today's LinkedIn profile review. Okay, so whatever he has done, he has kept everything very crisp, very clear, and it looks like very genuine. Like he has really worked hard to get these kind of data, whatever he has kept. I am very much happy with this profile. uh, Again, like same things here, a little bit on the tools and technologies. I think this is good. Okay, so here he has kept. Okay, only thing what I'm missing is like recommendations which you need to get from your friends or from your current company people. Just ask for recommendations. How do you ask for recommendations? Let me show you. This is my LinkedIn profile. If I come a little bit down, you will see something like recommendations. You have to click on plus, ask for recommendations, and search for people whom you want to ask for recommendation and send the message to them. Okay, that's how you will get your recommendation. So anyone who is your nearby friend or who has worked for you, who has been your student, whom you mentor, anyone can give you recommendations. So these are the recommendations which I have given to the people with whom I have worked, like Walmart, maybe other companies. So that's how I am making sure I'm following. Yeah, right, it's good, it's good, right? Okay, now let's go with the second LinkedIn profile pickup. So who wants to go? Whose LinkedIn profile have to be the next one? Please let me know. Okay, anyone who is looking out for job, you want to get your LinkedIn profile review? Anyone who wants to do it? Sunil, Abhinav, Naveen. Okay, let's go with Naveen's profile. Okay, Naveen is senior software engineer, DevOps, AWS, PGPCC in cloud computing. Now, this doesn't suffer. Means what I'm going to tell is here you can add some more data points like senior software engineer, where, which company, or senior software engineer, what are you actually doing, or what tools you are good at, any certifications you have done, little bit more data if it is present here, it will look good and strong. Now, okay, this is also you need to change. Now I have also already showed you Somashekhar's profile. It looks very good. Sorry to say, you need to add more pointers on what are the things that you have worked, what are the achievements that you have done, what are the primary responsibilities that you have taken in your project, your tech stack, your ideas, your knowledge, everything should be here under one roof. So make sure that you change everything. Sandeep, clear? Naveen, I hope that whatever I am telling making sense for you. Is it making sense, guys? Like whatever I am telling? Yes. Now, if you see Naveen's post, okay, Naveen is a little bit active again. Okay, some things. One of the important thing is whenever you are doing the job search, make sure that you are active on LinkedIn also. How you can be active on LinkedIn? If you don't know how to make content, okay, let's say like Naveen has reposted this post, okay. Now, what you can do is you can repost any of my post. Let's say like you can come to my profile, and if you feel that this particular thing is good, where I have cracked Cisco, right? That post is really good, where you will be able to see like what are the interview questions that have come in, what are the rounds that I have attended, what are the SRE interview questions were there, what are the technical questions, what is the managerial round questions, and all those things. If you felt that this is good with and you can share it with your friends, you can definitely go ahead and repost this, and that's how people will also come to know your profile. I hope that I am making it sense. Those who are new, I am telling to that you can always repost or create a content by taking the content from others or reposting the others content if you are not knowing how to create a content. Okay, that's very much important. So Naveen, I would suggest you please be active little bit more. So let's say like you have done this, that's really good, but still a little bit more energy should be there on the post. You can add some details here so that people start liking your post. Okay, now that's very important. So Naveen is working in senior software engineer, Gus Education India, DevOps engineer, CGI, DevOps engineer. Okay, so you need to add roles also as per Somashekar. So I don't see the roles here which you have added. So make sure that you have your roles here. Naveen, are you there in the live? Naveen, are you there? Naveen, are you there? So see, Naveen, your profile has to be completely revamped. Okay, nothing is added in your profile. At least you would have added some details so that people start appreciating your profile. Okay, okay. So let's go with the next person, guys. Next LinkedIn profile, please. Okay, any girls here who wants to share your LinkedIn profile? Dhanush, Lohit, anyone else? Rohit Sodhani, Ankit Sharma. Okay, Lohit, we will go with Lohit. Okay, guys, one thing, if you are sending me your profile, at least your profile should have basic things. Now, Lohit, see, where is your banner here, right? Please add some banner like this where people at least come to know that you are a person existing, right? With banner, what will happen is people will come to know what exactly the work you are doing, where are you working, what are your skills, what are your tech stack. With this, it will become very much easy for you. So first thing first, don't do this mistake. Add your banner immediately right after this live session. Okay, and meanwhile, those who are watching, please comment your LinkedIn profile so that whichever is the last one after this profile, I will take that one and review. Okay. Now, if you are seeing the banner is not there, so that is very much important. Now, here, many things are not available. Like your headline is not there. right? You have just told systems engineer at TCS, but what are your skills? What type of system engineer you are? Are you a DevOps system engineer, production system engineer, or are you a computer system engineer? You didn't added anything. So that's a big mistake. You need to add all the details that are important for your clearing the interview. Okay, so I'm expecting you will be doing that, right? So I hope that you will be changing everything. At least change these things with respect to Somashekar, which you have seen. Okay, that's very much important. Now if I come down a little bit, okay, so you are telling 3 years you are working in one company, that's good, but again you are missing major, okay, sorry, major data you are missing, that is your project roles and responsibilities. Okay, and I can see that okay, you are commenting on the post. Okay, right, that's good. Now please add your roles and responsibilities, like mine. If I have to show my profile, if you come down, if you go to your experience, click on the edit section, click on any particular data point, come down and add the description. That will really help in understanding, in making you understand that, okay, this guy has done something good. Very simple as that. Okay, as simple as that, which will help you in understanding what type of person you are. Clear? Okay, so I think that is what I am looking at your resume. Sorry, your LinkedIn profile. You need to fill the data. You need to fill the data, or else it will be very, very much difficult for you to get any kind of, maybe any kind of jobs or any kind of things that you are looking for. Okay, Naveen, are you clear? Or else you can put the about section like this also, where you are telling in pointers, right? Instead of paragraphs, you can tell in pointers also, like what kind of person you are, what have you achieved, what are you doing, what are your roles and responsibilities in the project, your top skills, and all the things you can add. Basically you have to fill your LinkedIn profile with very unique and genuine things. Okay, so if you are able to see, you can add the what you call, like, if you go onto the edit system, if you see here inside the Walmart, you can add your awards and rewards, any emails, any appreciation, any cash related things, any awards if you have got, you can add it like this. Okay, so your awards and description can be added here. You can say add media, upload pictures. Okay, so ultimately your LinkedIn profile should be filled with all the things. That's as simple as that. Okay, okay, clear? Right. Okay, so where are you all? Let me go and check. Okay, by the way, you can take LinkedIn profile also as reference, because the important thing is all the jobs that I have cracked in the recent times. Okay, very important. All the jobs that I have cracked in the recent times. If you go to my job section, if you see like my jobs in the last 2 months, I was trying to apply many positions. Okay, so you can see here the jobs applied. You will be seeing various kinds of positions. I was keep on applying. I was trying to get various kinds of job opportunities. Okay, so if you have good LinkedIn profile, if you have good resume, no one can stop you to get any kind of job that you are looking for. And yes, there is a proper roadmap to follow. Without that roadmap, it will be very, very difficult for you to crack any kind of interviews. Okay, so I'm looking for where is that live? Okay, where are you all? Okay, now let's go with the snap to follow. Okay, let's go with the second person. Okay, Divya Shri Mandru, we will see. It's a fresher. Okay, it's a fresher LinkedIn profile because she has kept fresher. So I'll be going with that, and then we will see like what are the other things that she has to cope up with. Okay, So let me go with Divya's LinkedIn profile because she's a fresher. We need to do a little bit of fresher help also, right? So, okay, Divya, this picture you have to immediately change right after this live class. Change everything, okay? Change everything in the sense this is okay. You are an electrical engineer. That's good. That's good that you are telling to the people that okay, I'm an electrical engineer. Profile pictures, change it. Your name is good. Your profile is verified. So I can see that when you have joined or what are the things that you are updating, when you are updating, I can see everything. Okay. And if you are able to see, you have this, and you have added some link also. If I come down, you are following me from November 2024. So recently, you are following me. Okay. Now, if you see, okay, so you have started posting content. So I can see like posted 1 day, 1 week, 2 weeks, and you have did your okay. You are going to complete your bachelor of technology, right? BTech in 2025. That's good. That's good to know. So now one of the important thing, guys. See, how many of you are freshers? How many of you are freshers here? How many of you are freshers? Only freshers. I'm only talking about how many of you are fresher. Freshers. Okay, only fresher. Okay, Arjun, Shivankya, Isha, Amit, Gajanan, Isha, right? Okay, Parth. So you all are freshers, right? So one simple thing which I am telling you is fill your LinkedIn profile as much as possible, either with content, either with the projects that you are doing. Okay, you can go to any of your favorite YouTube channel. Like for example, if you see my YouTube channel, different kinds of projects are available for you with various kinds of topics. You can always come and check. Let's say like you want to do Python automations, you can keep that Python automations in your LinkedIn profile. Let's say like as of now, I am checking Divya's LinkedIn profile. In Divya's LinkedIn profile, in the about section, you have added these things. I really appreciate. You have added your Skill India program document, something which you have got. Lead code profile, GitHub. That's really good. And this is very important, guys. All of you, if you are a fresher, you need to have your lead code profile or hacker rank profile or whatever, right? So nevertheless, like whatever the rank it might be, but whatever you are doing, it should be known to everyone. Okay, so you are doing little bit good, but still you have to take this to the next level. At least start with doing more kind of solutions, more kind of questions, so that it can help you in growing the knowledge, the amount of knowledge you have. So this I am telling to every fresher, not only for what you call like for Divya, but what I'm telling is for every fresher, it's very much important that they are creating their profile in a very clean manner. Now, this is good. I'm an electrical engineer, passion for technology, continuous learning, creating problem solving with strong academic record and diverse experiences. I aim to leverage my skills in various domains, including technology and digital content creation. That's good. Education and academic achievements. Okay. Now, one thing here, Divya here, if you are achieving something in your college, you have to add that here also. Okay. Like in my profile, you have seen, right? I have added awards. You can take my profile as the reference and change your profile accordingly. Okay. You can change your profile accordingly to your taste. For example, guys, all of you see here, I'm going to change my LinkedIn headline right now. So I'll come here. So I will say like 100K plus LinkedIn. Okay. And I will say like 60K plus on YouTube. Okay. And SRE and DevOps engineer, and I'll save it. Now, if you are able to see, the intro has been changed directly, right? That's the power of using the LinkedIn to the best. I can change whatever I want. And if you are able to see, Divya, it's good that you have changed the LinkedIn URL to your name. So many of you, will see in your name, it will be like 1 2 3 4 A C B D, something like this. Attachment will be there with your name. So how do you edit that? You have to come to this your profile in the home page, basically here, and you can edit your profile. You will be able to see public, edit custom URL. First it will be your public profile and URL. You can edit here, and whatever you are able to see, you have to change it according to your requirement. Are you all able to understand? Yes, guys. YouTube people, are you able to understand like whatever I am telling? And if you need any kind of help with respect to your YouTube learning or code or understanding day-to-day activities, anything, you can see my YouTube. That should not be an issue. You will be able to understand so many things uh, with various kinds of enhancements. Daily I release videos, daily I do various kinds of things on YouTube. You can check definitely mine. Till now, the best profile I have seen is Somashekar Gollapalli, very matured, very good profile. Till now, we have seen. Rest all profiles need to match this so that your job hunting process is on the way, right? Okay, so let's go ahead with the next LinkedIn profile. Okay, fresher, only give fresher. One good fresher LinkedIn profile, guys. Those who think that, Praveen, I am a fresher, but my resume is very good. Anyone here? Abhiram? I want to kickstart my tech career company is mechanical. Okay, can you review my profile? See, mechanical graduate. I want to kickstart my career at tech companies. Okay. See, I am talking, I will definitely take, but you have to tell me if you are confident for me to select your LinkedIn profile. It should not be like I have selected your profile and nothing is there. If you are confident, share me your LinkedIn profile. Like all the details are there, Praveen. At least some details are there. I'll be able to take it up. Mine good. Okay, Jitendra, fresher. Okay, Dhananya. Okay, Dhananya is telling open to work. That's good. So which roles you are open to? Let's see. Associate DevOps engineer, you need to add your cloud engineer, all the things, support engineer, technical solutions engineer, something like that, add it. Okay, now locations, Hyderabad, Bangalore, you have kept. Start date immediately. Okay, this is okay. Your banner is not there, so add some things. Oh, you are following me from August 2024. Okay, let's see your data points here. Okay, don't write like this. This looks clumsy, right, Dhanya? How you can change this is you can change the first line till here. Second line you can start from here, and third line you can start, like spacing should be there. You can keep the same way that I have kept in my profile, where you can tell that, okay, this is first sentence, second sentence, third sentence, fourth sentence, and define your data points in the paragraph wise. That's very much important. Okay. And if you are able to see, you are, okay, you have posted last 7 months ago, and you are working as a DevOps engineer at Avera Digital, 8 months full time. And if I, yeah, like this, I am telling, okay, this, see, people don't have that much time to come down and check your profile. People have this much time only. They will come see, like, what are the things that you have done. They will not understand and they will leave your profile. Okay. So that's very much important. So you have worked in Cognizant also. So you're not a fresher. Okay. So you are passed out in 2021. So 2.8 years you have worked, and then you have moved to Avira Digital. Okay. You're working in 8 months, but much more things should be added. It doesn't looks, your profile doesn't looks like you are a experienced candidate. Okay, so you need to add so much data, or awards, rewards, any certifications if you have done. Recommendations are also not there in your resume or in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, Danya, so much work has to be done. Please take time. What are the pointers I will tell you in the checklist? One is this one. This is good. Two, change everything here. Three, add some awards, rewards, certifications, whatever you have done here. And four, have the recommendations from your friends. That is very, very much important in order to get any kind of roles that you are looking for. Okay, great. Now, all of you see here, guys. Yes, yes, I will do your profile. Just give me 1 second. Let me tell you all. So, all of you see here, you have seen till now LinkedIn profile, various kinds of queries that I have taken. So for anyone who is interested to learn DevOps and SRE with me in the live class, it means for the next 2 to 3 months, I will be guiding you in dedicated batch. It means like you will be my student and I'll be teaching you everything in the live class, doubt solving sessions, project based learnings, access to recordings, Azure and AWS included. This is basically for the people, freshers to experienced, those who are looking for job change, like either for job change or job hunt. Let's say you are a fresher, you want to land in your dream job, but you are not sure how to make resume, how to create resume, what to add in the projects in the resume, how your resume has to be created so that recruiter feels happy. You don't know anything about that. You can join this batch. For example, you are a experienced, you are not aware that how to talk in the interview confidently, how to face the interview, what are the interview questions that from top product based companies people are getting. You can join this session. So if you are able to see, these all are live classes starting from December, right, this month, and you will be dedicatedly given mentorship for job guidance with 14 plus projects, close to 14 to 18 projects we have, 2 months duration, and the access for the course is 2 years. So once the live class is completed, immediately you will be getting the recordings. So Praveen, what is the content that you are delivering? All of you see here, Linux is very much important for any DevOps engineer who starts their career. So we will start with Linux. We will go with Git, Jenkins, then we will go with Docker, we will go with Kubernetes, we will go with monitoring, we will go with dashboards, Helm charts, security, DevOps security, Kubernetes real-time project, scenario-based data, AWS, then we will go with Terraform, Ansible, Python coding, Linux networking, pipeline CI/CD, Kubernetes webhooks, admission controllers, Python hoops concepts. These are all things like real-time scenario questions with answers will be given to you. Not only this, uh, if you are able to see, each of the projects are mentioned here very clearly, starting from Jenkins DevSecOps pipeline, monitoring, Docker project, Kubernetes 3-tier application, where we deploy the Kubernetes application and we see how the application is talking with one microservice to another microservice. We will see that, and we will see the data transfer between the microservices in Kubernetes. We will see the Kubernetes monitoring. Let's say you are hitting www.abc.com, how that ABC is completely transmitted in browser to the end, how much is the response time, validation time in the charts you will be seeing in this project. Argo CD and GitOps, Python, Kubernetes, Helm charts, monitoring, Azure, Ansible, Java also little bit we will do because DevOps engineer needs coding. Now, if you come down, you may ask like, Praveen, what are the things that you are going to give me as part of the job guidance? You are going to get my Infosys resume, my Walmart resume, my Verizon resume. You are going to get 400 plus DevOps interview questions, which I have cracked from the companies I have cracked. You are going to get mock interviews, LinkedIn profile optimization, one-to-one, job portals, current jobs, walk through each project roles and responsibilities I'll be giving you, and you can add it in your resume. Okay. And not only this, if you see here, Praveen, what are the placements? How many students have got placed with you or under your courses? You have completed 2 years, 9 batches. What are the people that you have placed? So basically, you can see here each person or each girl or each guy who has got placed under us with Career Gap, with 4 offers, with Amazon. Okay. With okay, people try to share their interview questions also. Once you enroll, you will get a community page where you can share all your interview questions and data. So that's how people try to understand and make them aware ki yaar, okay, these are the things that you have to work on achieving. So what I'm telling is, if you are interested to join, right, at 75% of rate, you can enroll here for batch 10. I will be looking out for only 5 people, only 5 people. if you are a fresher, if you are experienced, you can definitely enroll here in batch 10, and you can grab your seat, right? And also, for your information, those who are enrolling for batch 10, you are going to get the level 1 unlocked today itself, because the level 1 has been unlocked, where you will be able to see all the details. Okay, all the details. So please check here. If anyone is interested to enroll for batch 9, you can definitely join here. See, in market, people are taking lakhs of rupees, thousands of rupees, but my intention is to make sure you guys get what you are looking for, as simple as that. So, and for your information, I will do the reviews once I'm completing this. So anyone who is interested can enroll here for batch 10, right? Anyone who is looking for job search can come to this batch 10. You can just type heydevops.in in the Google, go to the English courses, click on this, and book your seat. When you are booking your seat, you will be having one-to-one mentorship. You can select here, you can have recorded videos, you can select here, and based on your information or based on your understanding, you can take this. Okay, now anyone who is interested to enroll for batch 10 can tell me, and I will be giving little bit guidance on the next steps, what you have to do. Sure, we will be doing the LinkedIn reviews also. Just give me 2 minutes. If anyone is interested, enrolled already waiting for class, great. Okay, that's great. Okay, anyone who is willing to enroll for batch 10 can let me know in the comment section. I'll be just seeing the comment section on YouTube also, because this is the primary platform. So in YouTube, I'm just giving the links. Okay, can you upload the video on YouTube on questions asked in Cisco? Sure, I'm going to do that. Definitely, I'm going to do that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, Manju is ready to enroll. So Manju, I am sharing the link here. You can enroll right away, and I will be guiding you on the steps how you can access the batch 10. That's very much important. Okay. So you can check here. I'm interested. Please let me know how to enroll. Yeah. So you can click on this link. I'll be guiding you entirely. And those who are interested, only 5 people I am looking for. Manju Pujari. You can click on this link, and that will route you to the process. Yeah, you are looking for job change, Gaurav, then definitely you can have your, you can join batch 10 basically. Okay, right. So once, meanwhile, those who are enrolling, Manju, once you have enrolled, let me know. I'll be happy to assist you with the next steps. Anyone from the LinkedIn? Now in LinkedIn, okay, I have enrolled for batch 10. That's great. Okay, anyone from the LinkedIn who is willing to enroll? Yes, I am Saurav, so I am sharing you this link. Okay, so many comments I'm getting, guys. Saurav, you can click on this link, enroll yourself in next 5 minutes, so that we can talk a little bit more on how the things are working, what are the important aspects that you need to cover. Okay, Mahajan is telling, I am trying for job 6 months. Please help, bro. Okay, let's see Mahajan's profile once. Meanwhile, those who are interested to enroll can enroll here in the batch 10. Okay, so Mahajan, okay, Mahajan is telling open to network, code build, test, immediate joiner, DevOps, Linux, AWS Cloud, CI/CD monitoring, Docker, Terraform, Git monitoring actions. Bangalore, Karnataka, 500 plus connections. Open to, yeah, this is what I was telling. Linux administrator, cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, and one more thing you need to add is SRE engineer. That will really help you. Okay, you are following me from September 2024 again. Okay, this much of data people don't see actually. Okay, so what you can do is you can reduce the data. You can put it in the pointers in very sweet manner, like Som Shekhar, how he has added the pointers one by one, one by one, one by one. He has added all the pointers. So that is very much important. You need to change this. This is good, but this much of data people don't see. Correct? People don't go with this much huge data. So you can little bit reduce the data according to your interest. And I see that you have posted the data from last 1 month. You can definitely take the content and post it on your feed also. You're working in emphasis from 3 years. Let's see. I will read one by one point because it's an experienced candidate's profile. So let's see like what he has done. Engineered Jenkins CI/CD pipelines to deploy Spark Java applications to Kubernetes platform. That's great, really good. Configured and optimized Kubernetes. Okay, that's really great. Manage container image versioning and storage using JFrog. Automated application triggers. Monitored and managed Kubernetes pod using Klogin, ensuring optimal cluster operations. Implemented a robust cluster switch mechanism for job executions. Diagnosed and resolved complex application deployment. Led continuous improvements. Right. Very good pointers, by the way. Okay. But only what I'm seeing is you have worked with Kubernetes most of the time. Where are the other things? Where is CI/CD? Where is other, like, okay, you have added CI/CD on the top. Okay. You have removed the dot. Okay, CI/CD Jenkins, Kubernetes, JFrog, Python is not there, Shell is not there. So many things. Monitoring is not there. Okay, monitoring you have given here again on the Kubernetes side. Okay. So on the AWS side, you are telling automated Java application using deployment, set up DynamoDB, S3 buckets, again database, S3 buckets. Okay, the second thing looks like more like a database oriented platforms, right? So that is a little bit, you need to change that. Okay. Right, but your profile is okay. I would say it's good, not that bad, but only thing is a little bit here and there. If you have not having any certificates, awards, rewards, and if you don't have anything like in the sense of recommendations, you do that recommendations first. Okay, and that's how you will be getting the jobs also going forward. Okay, right. So okay, so I am done with LinkedIn profiles. I know you all are putting so much of comments here on the LinkedIn, but as I have to make sure that you all have understood with few of the profiles, the profile of the day is Somashekar's profile. Very good profile. I would like to see once more his profile. Just I wanted to show you. Okay, I missed it, by the way. Okay. Okay, Pooja, thanks a lot for joining. You have also enrolled Harikiran. Hi, Praveen. I am interested, but I need some clarity with you. Is it possible to get DevOps job opportunity to who has completed BCom graduate from non-IT? Yes, definitely, Jitendra. Why you are having that doubt? Only thing is salary will be less. Okay, Jitendra, for you, only thing is the salary will be less. You can enroll. Okay, now let's talk about the batch 10 people. Okay, please tell me how to talk to you. I want to talk before purchasing this course. Okay, I don't know. Larimar, if you are here, you can come. Okay, now let's talk about the batch 10, guys. If you have any queries, if you have any questions with respect to batch 10, you can let me know. I'll be happy to help you in the things. Okay. Right. Any queries with respect to batch 10, please let me know. Okay. YouTube, any queries you have? Quickly, any queries you have with respect to batch 10? How many projects, Praveen, we are going to do, or what is the things that you are going to do, Praveen? You can let me know. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Any questions, any queries? No questions, no queries. Last one. Yes, Jairaj Rao, please ask your question. Yeah, Jitendra, you can enroll right away. I'll be there here for you. Yes, Python is also there, Shatrughan Singh. ये देखा नहीं आपने पाइथन? देख लो, सर्च कर लो पाइथन, PYTHON, देख लो पाइथन रियल टाइम सिनेरियोस. or Python oops concepts, Python basics to advanced, Python D Django. Python to bhara bhara hai. Python is everywhere in the bash 10. Okay, so coding is also important. That's what I'm telling. Without coding it will be very difficult for you to upskill. So that is why enroll here for batch 10. Those who are looking for job, or if you are a fresher and willing to upskill yourself, they are definitely welcome to enroll in batch 10. Okay, cloud security engineering. See, security is also always important for any organization that is running their things on cloud. So I won't say like security is not important. Security is always important. So it has a good scope. It's not like anything like less or bad or not working, something we cannot say. Okay, so yeah, so let's see like how many of you are watching me right now. Okay, 38 people are watching me. Abhinav, you are a site reliability engineer, DevOps. Okay, so Jitendra, so many things you have to add it. As I have told you, recommendations are not there. The headline is not good. Okay, here it's not looking filled, right? It's looking empty here. And if I come little bit down, there is no add-ons here. Only you have added your internship letter, nothing like this, other things. So you have done next wave. Okay, that's good. Okay, but little bit you need to change. Remove this brand here. Okay, something about you it should be. Remove this. Okay, right. Okay, I'm a working professional. The class timings are on weekends. Okay, so 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. So those who are interested in enrolling, the class timings are 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST in weekends. Okay, you will be getting 30 plus assignments, almost like 30 assignments, and you will be able to get different kinds of scenario-based interview questions. Whatever the companies I have cracked, I'll be sharing all those interview questions with you. Okay. Yeah, this is what the job guidance things are for you guys. Okay, any more queries you have? Any more queries? Any more questions? Okay, I'm just looking at things here. You can definitely check my LinkedIn profile, guys. Okay, if you are looking at things, at understanding scale, making sure how the things are working, you can definitely check here. Take various kinds of key takeaways as per your requirements. And yes, as I have told you, always look out for jobs, guys. One of the best thing, again I'm going to tell you, again I am going to stretch about that, is DevOps engineer jobs are there. It's just like you have to search according to your interest of understanding. Okay, if you are seeing Adobe reposted, over 100 people have applied. Lukesoft, Warner Brothers, software engineer to site reliability engineer, team Bangalore. See here, the people are looking for 3 to 5 years of experience. So I think many people who have told me that Praveen, I am looking for a job, can apply to this job. Very, very important. Okay, senior SRE Okta. Okay, Amit RK. Okay, let me connect with him also. क्या पता कब कब किसका हेल्प लगे हम लोग को, ठीक है. Right. So Nasir Iqbal, Rakuten, he is hiring. Okay, these all are jobs, various kinds of things. Okay, now any questions for batch 10? Again, so many people are commenting. That's good to see, but um, I'm just looking at queries. You can, okay, Omar, you can email. Okay, you are a previous batch student. I'll not do any reviews right now, but yeah, you can send me an email. Okay. Right. So anyone who is willing to enroll, please enroll in another half an hour. And the level one documents have been unlocked. In that level one documents, fresher documents will be separate, and experience documents will be like theory based. Interview questions will be there, so you can go over that. And as soon as the classes will be starting this week, you will be receiving, all will be receiving the Zoom live sessions to your email ID and WhatsApp number. So make sure that you are looking at various kinds of things. Okay. Praveen, please accept the connection request. Gopi Naidu, from where I can accept the connection request. Okay. So that's all for today's live. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. Please share the channel link with your friends and enroll yourself for batch 10 if you have understood like how I teach or how I do the projects, how I do the LinkedIn profile optimization, reviews, and all those things. If you really want to upskill with me, if you want to become like me, where I have cracked various kinds of companies, including Walmart, Amazon, and Cisco, make sure that you check out my profile and understand those things. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining. I would love to see you all in the batch 10, and thank you again. Cost is 4250. Again, I am telling, this is the least cost of the batch which I am running. 2 months course. I'll be teaching every weekend live sessions for you guys, and no other person will be there between you and and me. I will be purely teaching, and it's 4250, 75% off for few people who are here with me. You can enroll as per your interest. So that's what timings. Yes, as I have told you, the timings are 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. It's basically on the weekends, early morning, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. In all the last batches, I have taken classes like this only. So that's how I feel like it's a good thing for me. Okay. Right. Thanks a lot for joining. See you all in the batch 10. Take care. Bye. And those whose LinkedIn profiles have not been validated, you can check Somashekar LinkedIn profile, or you can go with my LinkedIn profile and take the help from that. Okay. You can take the help from here. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining. Please take care. I'll end the stream here. Again, once again, thanks a lot.